Homemade Funfetti Cake Recipe. Start with an enthusiastic greeting. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to your multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we have a treat that's bound to bring smiles to your face, a homemade funfetti cake. It's a burst of colorful sprinkles and sweet vanilla goodness. So, let's start. Show each ingredient as you list it. 2 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 2 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 3/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 cup whole milk. Step 1: Preparing the dry ingredients. Let's kick things off by preparing our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 2: Creaming butter and sugar. Now, onto the creamy base of our cake. In another bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 3: Adding eggs and vanilla. Next, we'll add our eggs and some delicious vanilla flavor. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract until it's well combined. Step 4: Alternating dry ingredients and milk. Time to bring our dry ingredients and milk into the mix. Gradually add the dry mixture in batches, alternating with the whole milk. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. Step 5: Adding rainbow sprinkles, and now, for the fun part. Gently fold in the rainbow sprinkles, jimmies, into the batter. Step 6: Baking. Our funfetti cake batter is ready, so let's bake it to perfection. Pour the batter into greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 7: Frosting and decorating. Now, it's time to make this cake even more fun. Frost the top and sides of one cake layer with your favorite frosting. Place the second cake layer on top and frost it as well. Decorate with extra rainbow sprinkles for that extra fun factor. Step 8: Final touches. And there you have it, our homemade funfetti cake is ready to enjoy. Slice it up and admire those colorful, joyful layers. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed making this homemade funfetti cake as much as I did. It's a celebration on a plate and perfect for any occasion. If you found this video helpful and fun, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe your multi-recipe and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. End with a final shot of the finished funfetti cake. Happy baking! Thank you.